Straight lines, part 6.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first one. Transform the given equations into normal form. Okay. So, see the first solution. Given equation x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. So, we have to change this equation into normal form. So, first we have to make RHS is positive. So, here this can be written as minus x minus y is equals to 1. Now, we have to divide this equation with the square root of a square plus b square. So, clearly a is equal to minus 1 and b is equals to minus 1. So, divide with square root of a square plus b square. So, clear that is square root of minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square, that is 2. Now, this is equation 1. So, equation 1 implies minus x by root 2 minus y by root 2 is equals to 1 by root 2. Now, this equation can be written as x into minus 1 by root 2 plus y into minus 1 by root 2 is equals to 1 by root 2. So, clearly it is in the form of x cos alpha. See here, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. So, comparing the above equation with this. So, clearly what you get, cos alpha is minus 1 by root 2. And what is sin alpha? Minus 1 by root 2. P is 1 by root 2. So, right here, sin alpha is minus 1 by root 2. And p is 1 by root 2. So, clearly both cos and sin are negative. So, alpha lies in third quadrant. So, clearly alpha belongs to Q3. Now, what is tan alpha? 1 only. So, this 1 can be written as tan of pi plus 45. So, because of alpha lies in third quadrant. Now, what is alpha value? 225 degrees. So, 180 plus 45. Now, therefore, the required normal form is what? X cos 225 plus y sin 225 is equals to 1 by root 2. So, this is the required normal form. So, see the second one. X plus y minus 2 equals to 0. So, this can be written as x plus y is equals to 2. So, clearly RHS value is positive and divide with square root of a square plus b square. So, clearly what is a value? 1, b value is 1. So, you will get root 2. Now, equation 1 implies x by root 2 plus y by root 2 is equals to 2 by root 2. Now, again this can be written as x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2. So, this is root 2. Okay. Now, comparing this equation with x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. So, what is cos alpha? 1 by root 2. Sin alpha 1 by root 2, p root 2. So, right here cos alpha 1 by root 2, sin alpha 1 by root 2 and p value is root 2. So, clearly both sin and cos positive. So, alpha lies in first quadrant. So, therefore tan alpha is equals to 1. 1 can be written as tan 45. So, clearly alpha is equals to 45. Therefore, the required normal form is, what is that? X cos 45 plus y sin 45 is equals to root 2. So, this is the required normal form. So, see the next one. If the area of the triangle formed by the straight lines x equals 0, y is equals 0 and line is 6. Now, find the value of a. So, see here, consider the coordinate axis. This is x axis, y axis. So, clear this is y equal to 0 line and this is x equal to 0 line. And again See here, given x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equal to a. Here a is positive. Now clear, this line lies in first quadrant. So this is 3x plus 4y is equal to a. Now you have to find this area. Okay. So see here, you know that the area of triangle formed by the lines x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0 and ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is. So what is that? C square by 2 into mod ab. Okay. Now given area is 6. So given area is equal to 6 square units. So therefore c square by 2 into mod ab is equal to 6. So what is c value? A only now. So a square by 2 into mod ab. So a is 3, b is 4. 3 into 4, 12 is equal to 6. So clearly a square is equals to 144. So a is equals to 12 only because of a is greater than 0. So the value of a is 12. So see the third one. If the product of the intercept made by the straight line is given. So see here, given line x tan alpha plus y sec alpha is equals to 1. So product of the intercept is sin alpha, then find the value of alpha. So first we have to change this equation into intercept form. So what is that? X by a plus y by b is equals to 1. So for that, tan can be written as 1 by cot and sec can be written as 1 by cos is equals to 1. So clearly x intercept. So what is the x intercept? Cot alpha and y intercept cos alpha. So what is the given condition? Product of the intercept. So this is sum a and this is sum b. A into b is equals to given sin alpha. So what is a value? Cot alpha into b value cos alpha is equals to what? Sin alpha. So cot can be written as cos by sin into cos alpha is equal to sin alpha. So clear, this is cos square alpha is equal to sin square alpha. So whenever these two are equal, then clearly alpha is equal to 45 degrees. So this is the value of alpha. So see the fourth solution. If a portion of a straight line intercepted between the axis of coordinates. So see here, this is the coordinate axis. So here required straight line intercepted between the axis. So this is. And is bisected at point 2p comma 2q. The straight line is bisected at point given, that is some p 2p comma 2q. Okay. So write the equation of the straight line. So you need to write this equation. Okay. So see here later, the straight line intersect the x-axis at a comma 0, y-axis at 0 comma b. Okay. So see here, let the required straight line intersect the axis at a comma 0 and b 0 comma b. So then whose equation is what? Intercept form. See here. So clear, this is x intercept, and this is y-intercept. So therefore intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. So this is equation 1. Now the straight line bisected the point P. So clearly given condition P 2P comma 2Q is midpoint of AB. So clearly 2P comma 2Q is equal to what? X1 plus X2 by 2, A plus 0 by 2, that is A by 2, rest Y1 plus Y2 by 2, that is 0 plus B by 2. So you will get B by 2. From this you need to find the values of A and B. So equating first and last. So A is equal to 4P and B is equal to what? 4Q. So substitute A comma B in equation 1. So see here equation 1 implies x by A, that is x by 4P plus y by 4Q is equals to 1. So therefore required equation is x by P plus y by Q is equals to 4. This is the required straight line equation. So see the next one. Find the sum of squares of the intercept of the line on the coordinate axis. So see here given 4x minus 3y is equals to 12. Here you need to find sum of the squares of the intercept of this line. So for that we have to make this equation into intercept form. So that is what x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So for that we have to divide both sides with 12. So what you get? 4x by 12 minus 3y by 12 is equals to 12 by 12 is 1. So clearly this is x by 3 plus y by minus 4 is equals to 1. So clearly x intercept. So what is the x intercept? 3 and y intercept minus 4. So therefore sum of squares of intercepts is equals to what? A square plus b square. So what is a value? 3. So 3 square plus minus 4 whole square. So 9 plus 16, 25. So this is the sum of the squares of the intercepts. So for next session I will discuss more concept.